Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today we are doing the Mussel Rescue soap by Morfosoaps. I started off by mixing the batter and then we will split it into 3 portions. The fragrance we are using, that's why the name of the soap is Mussel Rescue, because we are using a blend of essential oil and fragrance oil by Crafter's Choice. It's called Mussel Rescue. And yes, the colors we're using, it's emerald green by Candora Soap Supplies. We're using titanium dioxide for the white, and then we are using blue mica also from Candora Soap. So we will split the batter into 3 portions. The main portion will stay white, we will add white to it, and then we're doing blue and green. And for the design, we are doing a drop swirl, just putting the white and then the green, blue, and I will also do a hanger swirl to just give it that fancy look, I call it. I love when doing this to the soap. So without further ado, I'll leave you to watch the rest of the video. Basically that will be it, and the top, will be textured also with a spoon. So I'll see you again with another soap making video next week. Until then, you take care of yourself, stay safe and well, be positive, keep smiling, and buy yourself some good soaps like Morfosoaps. Bye for now. Take care.